Hi there, and welcome to Moisture Retention Blueprint. I am so excited to have you here in my signature course, and congratulations for taking a step towards your hair education because trust me, by the end of our session together, by the end of this course, you are gonna get mind blown. Like, you're gonna learn a lot of powerful content, you're gonna get a lot of knowledge, and it'll just change your perspective, it'll change your attitude, and it'll change the way you think about your hair and the way you see your hair. So I am so excited to have you in this course. Like, guys, like, I am just so excited, and congratulations for enrolling in this course. Now, if your friends haven't enrolled in this course yet, if you can do me a favor and just send them to the link below this video in the comment section below. I mean, actually, I'm gonna paste the link above this video. If you can just send them over to that page so that they can also come and enroll in the course and learn what you are gonna learn in this course. Because, guys, sharing is caring, and you don't want your friend having envying you for no reason because you have gorgeous, beautiful hair while they don't, and they are still struggling with their hair. So if you can do us both a favor and just send them over to the registration page so that they can enroll in the course. And one more thing, if you have any question relating to any lesson, please leave it in the comment section below. If you have more like, if you need more help, more hands-on or whatever, please send me an email. All right, so now, let's take a look at what you are going to learn in Module 1. So, Module 1 will be scientific, but I'm going to be breaking everything down into simple terms. The reason why I am beginning this course is with this scientific part is because I need you to really see what your hair looks like scientifically see, just see what it looks like, because then it'll change your perspective about your hair. It'll change the way you see your hair and you think about your hair. So let's take a look at what you are going to learn in this module. So in this module, the first thing I'm going to show you will be what your hair really looks like under a microscope. So again, I want to really enlighten you about your natural hair. And then next, I'm going to be going over the three structural layers of your hair and their significance. So why should you care, and what does it mean for your dry hair? And then next, I'm just going to briefly explain what a hair shaft is, and then I'm going to go over the cuticles. So what are cuticles and why are they so popular in the hair community? So I'm going to show you what cuticles look like and why you should care, hence why they are so popular. And next, I'm going to go over how the health of your cuticles, how they affect your hair's moisture retention ability. And then finally, I'm going to be explaining what cuticle degradations are. So please pay attention, open your ears, take notes, because you are going to need it. You probably need to come back to a lesson or so to get more understanding. And once more, if you have any question relating to any lesson, please leave it in the comment section below. And if you found any value or anything in this course, if you can just share it out on your Facebook page, Twitter, in Instagram, WhatsApp, with your friends, whatever, email, whatnot. You can just share it out with your naturalistic friends so that they can also come and learn what you are going to learn in this course. All right. So once again, thank you, and congratulations for enrolling in the course, and I will see you in the next lesson.